One mind map is used to explain this heat map analysis in this particular video. And if you want to get this mind map, you need to download our Shomu's Biology app from the Play Store. And inside the study material section, you can clearly see the mind map for all these videos that we're sharing. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. And in this particular lecture, we are going to talk about another heat map analysis, and this time the heat map of plant physiology. This is as per the CSIR net LSBT syllabus unit 6, that is plant physiology. Old syllabus has unit 6, new syllabus is also unit 6, that is plant physiology. What are the most important topics from this unit? What is the overall summary for the preparation of this unit? That is what we will understand first. Then we will also understand the high yield topics from these unit 6. Okay, so starting with the final verdict, we'll go with this final verdict. We'll discuss about the importance level of unit 6 first. Then we'll talk about the high yield topic, the repeated asking topics from this particular chapter. So final verdict is the importance level for this unit 6 plant physiology is moderate to high. We can call it very high or high, but we call it moderate to high importance. Typical marks range for this unit 6 or plant physiology is 14 to 22. Reliability consistently appears in every single year of CSIR net question paper. Every single year they ask question from this topic, that is the reliability of this, even more reliable than unit 7 animal physiology. So scoring potential is high if concepts and diagrams are well revised, right? If you revise the concepts and diagrams very well, then you can score very high in this unit 6 plant physiology. Now let's move on to the question part. What are the type of topics that you need to prepare in order to make unit 6 plant physiology your strong side? Frequently asked topics from this unit. Frequently asked topics: photosynthesis, very important. Frequency maximum 5 star out of 5 star. Next is focus. Focus from photosynthesis is that light reaction of photosynthesis, Z scheme of electron transfer in the process of light reaction, C3 C4 versus CAM pathways in photosynthesis. Okay, these are the focus of photosynthesis. The next topic that we have, plant hormones. Plant hormones are very important here. What are the plant hormones that we have here? Frequency for the plant hormones 4 star out of 5, that is plant hormones importance. Next is the focus. The focus for the plant hormones: auxin, gibberellin, abscisic acid, ethylene and cytokinin. These are all 5 plant hormones important, but the most important that 4 that we know is the auxin, gibberellin, abscisic acid and ethylene. These 4 are even more important than the other, cytokinin. Okay, plant hormones part are very important. Next, the third topic of importance is water transport, and water transport frequency is 4 star out of 5 in terms of repeated questions, repeated nature. It focuses on a root pressure, the water potential in the root, the transpiration pull and also the cohesion tension theory. Based on that, the water movement from the soil to the top of the tree, that's the focus of water transport. What else? We have nitrogen metabolism. The nitrogen metabolism frequency is 4 star out of 5, that is the nitrogen metabolism frequency. The focus here for the nitrogen metabolism is nitrate assimilation, then we have nitrogen fixation, and these both the things, the nitrate assimilation and nitrogen fixation, and the role of plants in nitrogen fixation, the role of microorganisms related to the plant root, formation of root nodules in terms of the nitrogen fixation, the symbiotic relationship in terms of the nitrogen fixation. This is something that is important. Phloem loading and unloading. The importance frequency, the repeated frequency is 3 star out of 5. Okay, and the focus here is again the same topic, the source to sink relationship, how exactly the sucrose that is produced as a food source is transferred from the source where it is produced to the sink to the rest of the body of the cells. That is very important. That is phloem loading and unloading. Seed dormancy and germination is also very important. The frequency is 3 star out of 5, and it also focuses on the abscisic acid gibberellic acid mediated pathway in terms of the seed dormancy and seed germination. How exactly gibberellic acid and abscisic acid interplay in terms of the seed germination, how exactly they prevent the dormancy, cause germination, and sometimes causes dormancy, prevent germination. That ratio of gibberellic acid to abscisic acid is very important. Photoperiodism, another important topic. The frequency of repeatedness is 3 star out of 5. Photoperiodism focus on long day versus short day plants, okay, and it also depends on different chemicals that actually regulate the process of photoperiodism, phytochromes, okay, and the role of phytochromes in terms of the behavior of the phytochromes in response to the red light and far red lights are very important, okay. Plant respiration is also important. The frequency is 2 star out of 5. A focus of plant respiration is the glycolysis process and TCA cycle, which is basically a part of biochemistry, so they don't ask much question from plant orientation here, but cyanide insensitive respiration is something that you need to talk about when we talk about the plant respiration. So that concludes the important topics from plant physiology. One more topic that I will include here, we talked about the C3, C4 and CAM plants, the differences and all, so we have talked about that. And in plant respiration you need to talk about the fixation of oxygen. Fixation of carbon dioxide is the process of photosynthesis, but fixation of oxygen is also done. So what happens when fixation of oxygen is done is also very important, that you should always look for. So these are the list of topics which are repeatedly asked from Unit 6 Plant Physiology in the CSIR NET and in this case LSBT examination that you prepare. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and colleagues, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this in future. Thank you, bye. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. And if you wish to join our coaching, or if you want to buy our study material, or if you want to join our mock test series, then contact the given number here in this video 9804654228 or visit our website www.shomusbiology.com or download our app Shomu's Biology from the Play Store. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.